Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to get real-time Ethereum data via Kafka streams. So we know that Bitquery provides real-time Ethereum information via GraphQL subscription. Now we will see an alternative to this solution using Kafka streams. You can find documentation on Bitquery Kafka streams on docs.bitquery.io and under the topic streaming. So it provides a comparison of when to use GraphQL subscription and when to use Kafka streams. Now I've written a sample code in Python which uses the Confluent Kafka library. First, we import the necessary libraries and we set up the consumer. So I set up the group ID, username, password based on the credentials that I've received. Next, I add the servers and the certificates. I set the topic and we will write a simple function that will receive the message, decompress it, and create a new JSON structure with the partition and offset along with the decompressed value and print it in console. Now, this is not the ideal way to consume a Kafka topic, but since this is a demo, I'm just printing it in the console. Next, outside the function, what we do is the consumer will poll every second for a new message. If there is one, it will process it. If not, we will keep checking. Finally, we will close the consumer. So in this demo, we will close the consumer using keyboard interrupt. Now we see the data being printed in the console very fast so that it's not even easy to read. Interrupted the process with a keyboard interrupt. So we see the data is in JSON format and it includes all the details for a transaction. You can parse this JSON which will follow the same format for every transaction and apply your own logic once you get the data from the stream.